I was doing exercise and doing the sturdy and stuff, and then the putting songs on. I put my shirt on because I'm just wearing a bra. Because I dance with my bra on. I have to wear my shirt because I don't like to. So the 8. Sing women, sing for the young. Sing women, sing with me, sing for the young. So you want to get studies like that. But sometimes I know because when this happens. Okay. Sing women, sing for you. Yeah, let's have a friendship bracelet. And I don't care. Sing for the young. Don't be shy. Neato. Guys, I think I should do ASMR. Yeah, but I forgot someone fidgets in the car. Only 2. No, 1. Actually, I think it's at home. It's this. That's why I have the packaging. I just can't find it. It's like a Pop-It game thing. And I always wanted it. And I traded for my friend. Not a fidget, but a puppet thing. Like one of those paper puppet things. The rug be like, wait. Okay, guys, we're gonna do it smart because I'm bored. And I really feel bad that I don't have that yellow thing. But I'm just gonna show you some old fidgets and new fidgets and a lot of more stuff. Why not? You guys. Oh yeah, my nails. I don't have they all ran out. Oof. But you know what? It's fine. I don't really need nails. I already have long nails. Let me put this back in the packaging. Oh yeah, some stuff is upstairs, so I'll go grab that. It's not that hard. Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy. Sorry I took the lever. We got forever, I mean, not the leather. Yeah, we got a table. Someone took it. It was Emmy. But she didn't know it was mine. What is that? Oh. Is that? Hold on, what is that? And where do I put this? Like, it doesn't fit. And but hold on, maybe it's somewhere here. I'll go check. Guys, I really want to show you what it is. But those are all the new fidgets. I'm not missing any more. That's what I know. It's just I'm missing one. Oh my god, my first like. I feel like it is in my dad's car. And my ball's hurting. I don't know if my mom lets me show you the strap. Oh, looky, look at Cody. He's the cutest dog in the whole world. So cute. I love pooping your nose. Big booty, honey. Guys, someone unsubscribed too. We got 35 subscribers and I have 34. But this video got 923 views because it's piano short video. And I'm definitely doing more. But you guys like the shorts, not the videos. But I made one of the long videos. I think it was like 12 minutes. This really is hurting me. Come on. It's not tight. Hold up. Where is the thing? Oh my god. Oh my god. I think it's under here. We just put here. Yeah, I did see a puppet. I just found a puppet under there. But it's not like the puppet game. Okay, anyways. Oh, this is my favorite puppet. Crusty, dusty, musty. Rust. Guys, I just found out that 65 years old watched my video. And I hope they're female. Cause men, perverts, I don't care if they're not perverts. But the rage, they need to leave. F-E-A-V-E. If I spell that right. I know how to spell. And I broke my soup. Okay, well. And don't worry, I'm not missing one of these. It's just I traded them. I mean, I already have 5, so that's fine. But I'll probably ask for it back when I have school back because I don't have school for 3 days. Well, I actually start tomorrow because tomorrow's the weekend on Monday. Ow, oh, no. Sore, I need to take this off. Hold on. Oh, look at my doggy. He's just chilling. He's not doing anything. Hello. Oh yeah, he's gonna take it off. I think there's red marks. And and I go back to school. Like I do go to school. Like does nobody know that? Okay. Okay. Bean. So, tiny shrinky. I'm gonna show you the putty. It looks empty, but it's not. Looks like that cookie thing from Squid Game, but not the same color because it's round. Hey. This stretches really long that it turns skinny, that you cannot even see it. But it doesn't mean it's ripped. You know those candy that's like caramel? It's like stretches like this long. And it's so like, first of all, this is, oh yeah, this is changing color whenever you like stretch it and hold it tight. It like changes pink or something. But if you hold it like really tight, I think it changes to a different color. Oh my god, it turns so pink. Let me do that again. Oh, can you see that pink? I see a lot of pink. And then when you stretch it, it goes back to purple. But how do you do the blue part? I think when you do this. Yeah, I think kinda a little bit. Ooh, that feels good. Just like, it feels like a squishy, but really kind of hard and just stretches really long. Ooh, that's a unicorn color. Is this scented? Because it literally scents like cotton candy, but it doesn't say. Does it? Nope, it doesn't. Read that. Triple change thinking putty. Crazy errands. Intergalactic. I forgot how to say that. Look how, I'm gonna hold that. See how pink it gets. See? Okay, first of all, I don't know if the words are backwards because that's what I see in the camera myself. Is this how putty just gonna turn pink? Ooh. Oh, that feels soft whenever I squeeze it hard and then just, oh, that was a nice. Now with the whole thing, look. Just trying to. Ooh, look at that pink. Now it's pink. Oh yeah, now it's turning purple when you mix it. That is a beautiful color, but I don't really like pink. I just like blue and every color except for pink. Cause like pink is like too, like, no. Yeah, I know I wear a lot of pink and I have a lot of pink stuff, but doesn't mean I like pink. This is so pretty. If you guys just felt it and look at it more, like, it just looks like a unicorn color. I don't know if you can see that. But the whole thing is pink now. It's not turning back to purple. I'm trying to make it back to purple. So I think you mix. And I think now it... Oh, wait. I have a good idea. Let's put it underwater. Here, I'll fill this up with water. I hope it works. I don't know. So cold water, not too much. Cold water, I think it turns it pink. Yeah. Pink, I don't know. And then we need hot water. I don't even have hot water. I don't have hot water in the sink. I don't think. And it doesn't work. Wait a minute. This slime is waterproof? I mean, putty? I did not know that because what I know, it's not getting wet. Ooh, it feels more. Hey, yo. It looks like I have like a small... When I do this, it's like a 3 head. when I do this. 4 and not 5. But it was 5. I'll be like, it's kind of sus. So now I think the whole thing's pink because it's not turning back to its galaxy color. I already had a 10. I just don't like it hang. I think when you put it under the sun. And so now for the next slime that really smells really bad. And I with my phone. That's so, everything's so. It smells really bad. Oh, but this feels good. Ooh. The foam beans are gonna get everywhere. Yes, queen, it's hard. Kinda. I'm not even gonna play this. I don't. A 6 out of 4 out of 10. That, if you guys think that's a blue, it's not. It just looks blue on the camera, I think. But it's green. LeBron. Wait, that kind of. Wait, no. LeBron is your mom. Is LeBron dead? Because I know my uncle's saying he's not dead. But I think he is. I don't know. And what happened to the slime? I'm not going to take everything. I'm not going to take the whole slime out because it's kind of hard. Cat first.